burst out in here, but anyway. Good morning, Tuesday, second vlog. What's cracking? I guess what I'll talk through a little bit is products that I use, because it's something different. So I use this organic toothpaste from Joe Organics. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I love it. Activated charcoal. It's all black. Comes with this little toothpick thing, and you just swipe it out. Sports essentials. So we have fish oils and two other things that I'm not sure. Pit putty. So this is a putty deodorant, which I love. It's so good. It smells unreal. Cinnamon, cedarwood. Huge fan. Solid shampoo. So I got all these because they're environmentally friendly. They don't have any plastic packaging associated with them, and they're also like dry, so you don't have to worry about them when you travel. So like this is my shampoo, and it froths up so quick. It's so good, and it smells amazing as well. So I go for the environmental friendly factor. I got all these from The Kind, which is a shop in Dublin. They do amazing work. They sell amazing products. And then yeah, the convenience of being able to travel with all these and not have to worry about liquids and stuff like that. So doing my bit for the environment where I can, and also making it easier for when I do all my travel. Wow. Oh, bamboo toothbrush, of course. Come on in. One thing I want to show you is everywhere that I go around the world, I collect something to bring home as like a memory. You could call it dust collectors, but for me, it's just I love picking up like wood and natural products from around the world. So I'll give you a quick tour, but a couple books. We've got loads of different woodwork down here. This coconut. Scorpion from Sri Lanka, South Africa, Jamaica, Turkey. This is one of my favorites. Oh, that was so fun, that trip. And then I've got some medals that I've won over the years in Europe and on the World Series and stuff. Our Hong Kong Cup, Oktoberfest, what a blast. And then some signed work, but... Good morning, fam. What are we, Moby Dick? Life? Cheers. Fresh. So, every morning we have started saving our coffee grounds because Kira is super smart, and she looked up online that you can essentially save them, dry them out, and use them to make body scrub. So, this doesn't look the most appealing, but it's just the coconut oil has solidified on the top. It's coconut oil, coffee bean, and then she's used lavender and something else. Lime, I think. Natural oils. And this is unfrickin' real. Okay, small bit. And then it evaporates, so I don't know, this will probably take. Come to a store near you. You want some? Get in touch. Almost forgot. Lid of the day. Huge lid for me. This is the first one that I ever bought, and this is what I took on my first ever travels through Bali in Australia, where this all kicked off. So after my first vlog coming out for work from home, this is a great lid to have on. Oh my god, that session was brutal. It was like 1,000,000 reps. We got there in the end. Now, the fun bit. You. This isn't the fun part. Get out of here. Now, welcome to the kitchen. This is the fun stuff. Vlogging day 2. Kira's going great. Having a pear. It's 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. And I'm having my first thing of the day. Pear. And Kira is making vegan Snicken bars? Vegan Snicker bars. With like dates and all sorts of goodness. So looking forward to those coming out. Let's see. Are we excited for some turkey burgers, Seamus?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Kira, I know you're not, but that's okay. Kira's excited for the broccoli, beetroot, onions. Yum. There we have it. Turkey burger, beetroot, onion. Good?
Yeah, looks good.
Wow. Got the old luau's going. Bit of avocado, bit of everything here. Sean's on dinner tonight. Alright, the Uso wants to play some ball. You want to play, boy? Hey, play, boy? I'm coming for you. Oh, need a pumpy. It's all about practice. Oh! Yes! Oh. Yeah, there we go.
I'll let you dunk.
Oh yeah.
No layups. No.
What the f?
Go home with a 2.
Huh?
Go home with a 2.
Yes. Woo!
3 bottle shot.
Alright, here's a shot to bring himself back in the game. And he misses.
This one just for if you say.
Cheers. Ice.
Pleasure. Hustle me.
On the dinner, and what are we looking at, boy? We got shepherd's pie with the lamb from
Lamb
yesterday.
mince and then a little hybrid sweet potato and normal potato with skins.
Wow. Banging in the oven.
Yes, sir.
Sure. My man. Look at that.
It's really good for your gut, so yeah. Is that within a gut health thing?
Oof.
Girth.
Oomfa. Look at the lifty. Oh, yes. That smells incredible.
Hella sweet potato.
Thanks to the brother for this meal. It's kind of nice being able to do one meal back and forth, gives each other time during the day to do other things, work hard, so
Dig in, son.
dig in. Oh yeah. Post dinner, there's only one thing to do. Post dinner pre-Sopranos. We make these incredible dessert smoothie yogurt bowls.
Over the bullshit.
Yogurt bowls. Onkins remind us of like when we were in school. So yeah, we're going with the Onkin vibe. Yes. Slap it on. Woo! Now that is a perfect dessert smoothie bowl. Good night. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Ja.